Hey Steve, how was Rehobo? Huh? Chris?
Phew, something really small.
How was Rehobo?
What?
How was Rehoboth?
It was fine with me.
What about you, Steve?
Why do I always have big
Steven doesn't want to talk to me.
pictures?
He doesn't want to talk to anybody.
No, he's mad at you, Matthew. Aw.
Hey there, sir. How was Rehoboth?
Good.
Was it real good?
Yep.
Well, are we gonna have a barbecue tomorrow?
Yep.
What are we having?
What are we having?
Chicken?
Chicken and hamburgers.
Great. Yep, I know that.
Hey man.
Hey. How do we get this date on here?
Display.
Date?
Pop it
display?
Pop it off.
Oh, here we go. What are we making here?
Well, we're making
Hamburger?
Duty burgers
Oh,
and crapsy daisies.
look good. From what kind of animal?
Well, it's from the donkey,
Donkey? Oh, great.
and it's good though. They're mighty good.
I'll be enjoying those.
You know.
We should get it under the burger shot, under the barbecue shot of the burger cooking. Look good, look good, look
Put the
good.
video camera on the coals and just shoot up.
Okay,
Just let me put it on the coals. Too hot.
okay.
Duty burgers.
235. Okay. See ya.
Hi, Matt. The foot. The toot.
That's good.
I'm looking over.
Go ahead. Finish that. Go ahead. Finish the song. Go ahead.
A four-leaf clover.
Again, Dad.
Nope.
Come on, one more time.
Sorry, buddy.
Once more. Do it again.
Come on, jackass.
Jack.
Happy called you a jackass.
What?
Happy called you a jackass.
He call everybody jackass.
Did he call you that, really?
Yeah.
What did he say?
Jackass.
I'm gonna come up and get you, Jack.
No, you say hello once, hello twice.
He said that?
Jackass.
He said that?
Yeah. He said that.
Strike one is on.
Wake up.
Field is pretty quick to the plate, but his time's
Hey,
very
wake up.
about 1.2 seconds to 1.53 seconds his delivery to the plate.
Well, it's August 15th. It's about 8:30 right now. Listening to the bells out here of the National Cathedral. And I'll try to get a close-up of that tower up there. If I can. Let's see. There's 36th Street. That's Avenue. Church. Church over there, Cynthia. And there is Yaya's house. I think I see somebody going by too. Take a look. That time is wrong, by the way. About 8:35, 8:40. Nobody in there? Well, my grandma's house. Guess I'll go back in there now.